king, you know it. King already, you know it. Top everything, you know it. King already, you know it. My body so got a king body. Body gon' shine, bling bling body. Calling all the shots, bring body. Crown on your head, got a king body. You a king, you know it.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Berlin. In today's video, I'll be creating a mohawk with Loc Petals. Before I jump into this style, the first thing I like to do is moisturize my hair. I am spritzing it with water, and then I will seal in the moisture with some Haitian Castor oil. All the items that I'm listing will be linked in the description down below. So here's what you will need for this style: 2 faux lock bun, some hairpins, and some rubber bands. Next, I sectioned my hair, making sure each side was even by counting about 5 rows up. I secured each section into a small ponytail, then connected one to the next, all the way down to the back of my head. For the center, I created about 5 ponytails running from the hairline to the nape, and then I used rubber band to connect each ponytail to flatten the center to create a smooth base. Once I was done prepping the hair, I did not like the way the rubber bands look in my hair, so I decided to take it down and just do 2 French braids instead. Once I secured the middle section, I used the comb that came with the faux lock to attach the first lock petal. I made sure it was secure both before moving on to the second bun. For a fuller look, I overlapped the second bun slightly over the first one so the center wouldn't look sparse. Then I took the other comb and attached it to the back of my head, securing everything in place with hairpins to make sure it's sturdy. And here is the final look. What do you guys think? Where would you wear this style? I have a concert that I'm going to in April, Mary J. Blige. So I was thinking about doing my hair like this for the concert. What do you guys think? Where would you guys wear this style if you would wear it? Also, don't forget to share this video with someone who might love this style. Save it so you can come back when you're ready to recreate it. If you do try this look, let me know how it turned out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next one.